Watching a TED Talk called My Life in Typeface, all about fonts. Fonts are important for Wenlin. CDL is Wenlin's character description language for rendering and indexing all Han characters. Wenlin's CDL Font Technology is the powerhouse behind many of our features, including the stroking box, the stroking diagram, brush tool, handwriting recognition tool. CDL's potential is unlimited. What's fun about the TED Talks is that you can scroll down and you can see subtitles and transcripts. Tom has pointed this out to us in a previous demo. I'm going to select Chinese Simplified Text for our purposes, and I'm going to select a section of the text. Copy, bring it into Wenlin and say paste. I can now turn on the instant lookup feature inside Wenlin and scroll over the text and study it further. I can also select the text, go up to fonts, and change the font style. What's neat to know is that all this font is rendered inside Wenlin using Wenlin's CDL font technology. Let me pick a font that is just slightly easier to read. And now we can study a character further by scrolling down to the stroke box, which uses the CDL font technology. We can go into options and select advanced options, and in the font section, enable advanced CDL character description language features. When we do that, I should select a new font, a new character, and scroll down to the stroke box. When we do that, we now have access to the advanced features of CDL and of the characters. We can click on CDL to display the character's description in XML format. We can click on points to show the control points for manipulating the arrangements of strokes and components. We can click on SVG to convert the character into glyphs, into scalable vector graphics. We can convert the description to one that uses only stroke elements, not component elements. And we can just do what most users do, which is to study the stroke order. As you can see, we actually have the radical turned on so that we can identify the radical in the character as well. If you want to study more about Wenlin and its CDL technology, you can do so by going to our user guide. Thanks all.